Good day, guys. Um, Today I'm going to be showing you how to protect your password from hackers. How to protect your password from hackers. First thing, you go to your Chrome browser. So you click on these three dots. You click on your settings. Then you scroll down to privacy and security. Then you go down. You click on the save browsing. Then please, you always ensure that what you have the enhanced protection checked. You have the enhanced protection checked. Now this enhanced protection, now you can see it says faster proactive protection against dangerous websites, downloads and extensions warns you about password breaches. I hope you find this helpful. Do well to follow us for more tips. Thank you.